How to enable additional account creation on Twitch. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can open an additional account creation on Twitch. For this, if you are in desktop, you have to sign up for an account and go to https://www.twitch.tv and select the sign up button on the top right portion of the page. After that, you have to choose a username between 4 to 25 length and set your password. After that, you have to choose to verify using your phone number. To do so, you'll input it into the field. The phone number will need to be a mobile phone number. Landline or VoIP phone numbers will not be accepted. Now, the last step is to put in your date of birth. If you wish to email, you can also tap the Use Email Instead option of the phone number. And if you put on your date of birth, you have completed, and you can then go to the sign of the firm and click on Sign Up button at the bottom, and depending on the selected method, this will then start the verifying process of your email address or your phone number. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.